gonna show you how to do a pivot table. My personal interest is physical fitness tracker. As you can see, I have data for first week and second week. So I'm gonna show you how to do it on the first week. So it will have the same table as I already did on the previous week. So as you can see here, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna highlight the data, set of data or the table, and then click insert, and then go to pivot table, and then for this instance, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put existing worksheet, and then click OK. And then for type of exercise, I'm gonna put it under rows, and then the rest will be going under values. So the sum of number of intervals, repetition per interval, pace time, and then rest time. There you go. So as you can see, it's the same as what I have did on the previous week. If you can see here, you have a dumbbell crunch, the type of exercises, um, sum of intervals, here you go, and then grand total for all of that set, and then the grand total for repetition per interval, the count, the pace time, and then sum of the rest time, and then their grand total. So it's very quick and easy, especially if you have a need for quick presentation and analysis of data. It's a better choice to use pivot table, especially if you have a multiple set of data. And I hope you learned something today. And thank you so much for watching and listening. Have a good one. Bye now.